So this is how you can use Leonardo AI. Let's go on ahead and open up a browser. As you can see, I'm already in the website. So the website is called app.leonardo.ai. All you're gonna have to do is tap on this menu button at the top right and then see if you're signed in. If you're not, then go on ahead and create an account if you haven't already, and then log in. So, how do we actually use Leonardo AI? Well, starting from the right, there's real-time canvas, real-time generator, motion, which I think is making AI videos, image creation, upscaler, canvas editor, and more. So right now we're going to focus on image creation. This is your basic AI image generator, but it actually shows good responses or results. As you can see, it seems very realistic and it looks beautiful. So how do we use it? Well, at the top, this is where you can write your prompts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and write something like a big tree and then tap on create over here. And it's going to create four images for us. So let's just wait for it. It's gonna take like 1 to 3 minutes. It's really not that long, so you don't have to wait that much. And so as you can see, it has loaded four images of what I prompted, which is a big tree. And yeah, that is how you can use Leonardo AI. Simple, right? All you have to do is write in a prompt and it's going to create it for you in about 3 or 5 minutes. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.